Our family is so happy with the SLOKEY SKYWAYS telescope. It is the best family gift we ever got. Finally, we have something we can all enjoy and use together. The benefits have been fantastic. My kids have developed a real interest in science, an interest in nature, and wanting to spend more time outside, which is just fantastic because this means they spend less time on their phone now and more time in the real world. And what parent doesn't want that? Their schoolwork has improved, and we get to spend more time together. The grandparents come on the weekend, and it's a real family fun time, building fantastic family memories, and you can't put a price on that. So if you want more quality family time and a happier family, I recommend you get one today. You'll be glad you did. I know I was, and so was my family.